Vito for Vito's Italian Cucina. Nope, we're in Kansas City at my daughter Natalie's house, and guess what she did? She gave me a recipe for apple pie. Not just apple pie, her apple pie with a little secret ingredient that I will disclose to you a little bit later. It's Natalie's nice and easy apple pie. That's right. Hey, listen, if you're wondering why I'm laughing, you should see what's going on behind the screen here. Anyway, my family's here and they're all looking at me. Is everything all right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll keep going. Anyway, stay tuned. You're going to love this apple pie. And then at the end, I got something special to tell you. Action. Okay, one more time. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Action.
Good Lord.
Action. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Vito's Italian Cucina where we did Natalie's nice and easy apple pie. Look at this beauty. Isn't it great? Listen. Action. Rolling? Okay, here we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Vito's Italian Cucina where we did Natalie's special apple pie. Natalie's nice and easy apple pie. Look at that baby. Isn't that great? Right. Listen, we're here in Kearney, Missouri. They like to call it K-Town. And if you're ever here, go to Balvo's. That's right, in Kearney, Missouri. And you are going to enjoy yourself there. That's our restaurant there. It's my daughter Cheryl's restaurant, by the way. So thank you so much for joining us from Vito's Italian Cucina. A ciao for now. Well, that's my family. And this is Vito's... Oh, what the hell? I don't even know who I am anymore. Okay, one more time.